Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have an opportunity to attend a GitHub event, which is GitHub Universe 2025 recap, and it is for Asia Pacific region. If you scroll down, you will see that Singapore, Shanghai, Sydney, Tokyo, Bangkok, Seoul, Bangalore, Jakarta, and Pune will have these events. If you want to attend any of this event, suppose I'm clicking on Pune, just click on the register now. You will be asking for some information to put. Please put the information they have asked. You see here the first name, last name, your job title, company, work email, and your mobile number. Complete all of these details. For the Pune, if you see, this event is happening on 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and the Novotel Pune is the area. And so far, so I can see there is no charge is here. And if you see that the door opens and the coffee and the tea break, and you will have networking with lunch as well. So everything will be there. But the thing is that there is no price is mentioned, and I believe that it is completely free of cost. You may check out this link. I will be adding this link on the description box. We can check out this link. That's it for today's video. I tried to keep it short and crisp. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free certification alerts, free courses alerts, and free Udemy courses. That's it for today's video. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.